At what point do your children's children's children don't become converts anymore? Question for you, Rabbi Asher. I meant to ask you this the other day. So you know how Moshe, like Rabbi Moshe, is a convert, right? And you're a convert as well. So
Yeah.
at what point do your children's children's children don't become converts anymore? Is it like
There's
the
no
next
such thing.
generation?
So there, as far as I know, in Jewish law, it doesn't make a distinction, right? It doesn't. Someone is, as long as there's knowledge of someone being a convert, they technically have the legal status of being a convert. Meaning, the Torah itself makes no distinction between converts and Hebrews who were born, like Ezrach, people who were born in the land. It makes no distinction. It actually says there's one standard, right? And you will both be under the same standard. It doesn't say you're joining one and you have to put up with this and that. It doesn't say that. Jewish law made certain restrictions. Now, Jewish law is things developed by the Sanhedrin. It looks like these restrictions may have been newer restrictions, that there's certain cases that a convert judge cannot adjudicate, or he can adjudicate it without the person being adjudicated allows it. Right, and all these cases, as it appears in Shulchan Aruch and in the Rambam, are only areas where the judges would need smicha. It means that you could have smicha as a convert. I'm not saying smicha today, but smicha from temple times, because we knew converts who had smicha, like Shammai of Tali. The Nasi of the Sanhedrin was a convert, and the Av Beis Din. The Av Beis Din is like it. It was a later position, but he's known as the father of the court. So they basically both ran the Sanhedrin, and they were both converts. Rabbi Akiva, some say that he converted. The Rambam says that it was his father who converted, who technically would still have the status of a convert. So you could judge, but it seems to have been some later enactment that you need the permission of the person being judged to allow a convert on a Beit Din, but it would be a Beit Din where everyone would be required to have smicha. So it's no Beit Din that exists today, because no one has real smicha today. So, there's, not that I know of, someone's going to show me wrong, where it says in the third generation or fourth generation, they cease to be called converts. Doesn't say